This has the largest library of stock media contents, and the most popular among these websites. Shutterstock's library consists of 400 million plus stock photos, 28 million stock videos and other sort of contents. This website is functional in 21 languages and has customers from 150 plus countries. Shutterstock has paid over $1 billion to its contributors. A stock footage of a contributor earns 15% to 40% of the revenue share from a download. The revenue share from Shutterstock depends on how frequently our contents get downloaded. In referral program, we can earn 20% of the customer's first payment when they use our link to sign up. Also, we would earn 10% of revenue share from the stock video of the artist, who used our referral link to sign up. The referral links of all the 3 websites are available in the description box of this video.